Imagine this. Humanity finally builds a ship faster than light. We launch toward the stars, hearts pounding. But no matter how far we go, we never, ever leave. The Milky Way holds us prisoner. For centuries, we've dreamed of leaving our home galaxy, to sail across the cosmic ocean, to another island of stars. Billions of galaxies call to us like glittering cities in the dark. But our reality is far crueler than our imagination. The Milky Way is 100,000 light-years wide, and we are just a tiny civilization trapped near its edge. Even traveling at light speed, it would take longer than human history itself to cross it. Yet we try. Every telescope, every rocket, every dream of warp drive. Let's start with scale, because that's where our illusion collapses. The fastest spacecraft ever built, NASA's Parker Solar Probe, travels at about 700,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, it would take over 450 million years to just leave the Milky Way's edge. And that's if we somehow never ran out of fuel, never hit dust particles, and survived radiation powerful enough to melt any known material. They're cosmic storms of energy, gravity, and death. To leave one means surviving everything the universe throws at you. The first obstacle is gravity. The Milky Way's core is dominated by Sagittarius A, a black hole 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Its gravity reaches across the entire galaxy, holding billions of stars and us in orbit. We don't feel it, but every atom of our being is in constant battle with this cosmic pull. Escaping the Milky Way means overcoming a speed of about 2 million kilometers per hour. That's 200 times faster than the fastest thing we've ever built. Even if our descendants mastered fusion drives or antimatter propulsion, the energy required would be beyond imagination. We're not just bound to our planet, but let's imagine for a moment that we did it. We escaped the Milky Way's gravity. Now we're in the intergalactic void, a place so empty you could travel for millions of years without seeing a single atom. Light itself seems slower here, not because of physics, but because of loneliness. The nearest galaxy, Andromeda, sits about 2.5 million light-years away. If we could travel at light speed, it would still take 2.5 million years to get there. By the time we arrived, Earth's continents would have shifted, our species evolved, or gone extinct. Even if a ship left today with a crew of thousands, their great-great-great-grandchildren would die long before seeing even a faint shimmer of Andromeda's stars. And the cruel irony? In about 4 billion years, Andromeda will come to us, crashing into the Milky Way in a cosmic dance of destruction. There's another problem, a universal law that cannot be broken: the speed of light. No matter how advanced our technology gets, Einstein's equations hold firm. Nothing with mass can reach or exceed light speed. Warp drives, wormholes, hyperspace, all of them require energy or materials that don't exist in our known universe. Even if we found a shortcut, the cosmic expansion itself is pulling galaxies away faster than light can travel. Here's the haunting truth. Every moment you breathe, the universe expands by thousands of kilometers. One day, maybe 100 billion years from now, every other galaxy will disappear from view entirely. We'll look into the night sky and see nothing beyond the Milky Way, no Andromeda, no Virgo cluster. For humanity, this isn't just a physical prison, it's psychological. We evolved to explore, to conquer, to expand. But the cosmos is reminding us, we are small. We may colonize Mars, maybe even reach Proxima Centauri someday. But the idea of leaving the Milky Way, if we cannot escape, then perhaps we must learn to belong. The Milky Way is not a cage, it's a masterpiece. Over 400 billion stars, billions of worlds, nebulae birthing suns, black holes sculpting time itself. Every comet, every beam of light, every particle of you and me was forged right here in the furnaces of this galaxy. We are made of Milky Way dust. But even in our limits, we find wonder. Maybe one day, our descendants will manipulate space-time itself. Maybe quantum tunneling or dark energy propulsion will let us leap between galaxies like stepping stones. Every impossible thing in history was once a dream in someone's mind, and humanity's greatest strength. So yes, We may never leave the Milky Way, but in our quest to try, we'll uncover the deepest secrets of the universe itself. Every telescope, every thought, every question brings us one step closer to understanding where we truly belong. Because maybe the point was never to escape, but to finally see. This is If Beyond, where the impossible becomes reality.